So today we're going to set up an awesome workflow that leverages Salesmsg, a great HubSpot app for sending text messages, and of course, Hapily, to send out a cadence of text messages to your events. So most of the time I like to do a drip of a week before, then 3 days before, then the day of in the morning. And we're going to do that leveraging a registrant-based workflow. Usually I'd like to do an event-based workflow for this, but there is a limitation in Salesmsg. It won't let you target the specific labels because Hapily will make it so that your registered people have the registered label and your attended had your attended label. You don't want to mix up anything with maybe some promoters or other people that are going to be there. So we're going to leverage the registrant object and do a registrant-based workflow. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to skip all this because I think I know everything. And I'm going to make registrant-based workflow. Save and continue there. I'm going to click back and trigger this when the criteria is met. What we care about is the start date. So we put the start date and time on each registrant so that you can easily use it for things like this or email tokens or whatever you'd like to do. We want to say when the start date time is less than 7 days from now, we're going to trigger this workflow. Additionally, you can make this only work for people that have registered for a certain event. Let's say for my Green Hill 5K Sonic the Hedgehog Marathon, I want to do a specific type of text message with some specific content. And for anything else, I want to do something general. So you would just add criteria, look at, again, the Hapily registrant property, and look for event name. Registrants will only go through this if they are a part of that particular event. So that keeps that super easy. Now that we've got that and we've saved it, we want to send our first text message because now it's going to be about less than 7 days. I'm going to search for Salesmsg in here. Grab that. Again, this works awesome because I can leverage the custom object. And I'm going to send this to all the associated contacts. Because this works, our registrant object only has one contact associated to it. So we're going to take the mobile phone property. We're going to send it from our inbox, which is our trial. I haven't coughed up the dollars, but it's worth it, trust me. Send from that number. And I'm going to have my message. Now, what's cool here, again, you can use your message to be like, hey, and then grab the token, which would be like first name. Then say the event name is less than a week away. Make sure you pack a lunch. Whatever you'd like to do, right? Then if you add any URLs, you can shorten the URLs in this, but now you've leveraged the specifics, right? Like if you have a registrant, we're going to copy over your dietary restrictions, your t-shirt size or whatever. So you can actually use this text message as confirmation for things that they entered in to your registration form. It's pretty powerful to be able to do this. And now we're just going to say hit save. And next we're going to hit a delay. So now we want to delay based upon the a date property, which is going to be that start date and time. And you want to wait 3 days before. So you can say 3 days before here. And then you want to also add the branch that if someone registers less than 3 days from now, it'll skip. So you want to make sure that you have that, just let that go as well. So that's going to add that extra branch. And now that we've had it, it's going to be on the assigned date. I want to send another text message. And you can add in all the thing and repeat the same process. We're creating what you want to send for that 3 day, do the same thing for 1 day. And it's super simple and straightforward. And if you want to have the same kind of text messages for every event, this is a do it once and it works forever. So again, leveraging Hapily, leveraging Salesmsg for your text message. This is another way to event happily.